Hello, I'm Dr. Brandt R Gibson, and tonight I want to talk to you about Freiberg's infraction. Now, Freiberg's is one of a group of problems in the foot and ankle where you get death or destruction of a bone in the area of a joint. The term for this is avascular necrosis, which is death of the bone or destruction of the bone secondary to poor blood flow to that area. Freiberg's infraction is one type of this, and it actually happens primarily in the second metatarsal area. Usually exhibits significant pain, especially with weight bearing. Usually doesn't have pain if you're not on it, but weight bearing, certain types of shoes that cause increased pressure to the ball of the foot, right at the second metatarsal head, for example, will cause significant discomfort and pain. This is not a super common problem, but it is significantly more common in adolescent females. And one of the theories is it may be related to shoe gear, high heels, so forth, where you're putting increased pressure on that joint and you cause damage to the joint that ultimately leads to destruction of the joint. You may get fracturing pieces into the joint area. You may get loss of cartilage. You may get flattening of the joint, which is the most common, where you actually get destruction underneath the cartilage and can be pretty problematic and troublesome. It is diagnosed using two techniques. One is you have symptoms and two x-rays show a distinct flattening or change of the joint surface, the metatarsal head in this case. So with that, there are multiple things that you can do. There are conservative treatments such as changing shoe gear, immobilizing the area, keeping pressure off it, giving it time to heal. However, in most cases, you're gonna have to do something more than that. A lot of times we end up doing some type of procedure or surgery for this, including such things as microfracture to the area, certain types of osteotomies to rotate the cartilage back into place. You can also do a form of injection right underneath the cartilage surface to actually create a scaffold that allows it to recover and repair. So Freiberg's infraction is a destruction of the joint. Typically the second metatarsal will typically have pretty significant pain and needs to be treated pretty aggressively to get it back to normal. This is Dr. Brandt Gibson. This is your Podiatry Tips, day 335. Freiberg's infraction as one of the avascular necrosis diseases that cause damage